Today we will talk about the highest point in Finland, so let's get started. The highest point in Finland is Halti, 1,324 meters, located on the slopes of Halti on the Finland-Norway border. However, the actual summit of Halti, 1,365 meters, is in Norway, about 1.5 kilometers from the Finnish border. Halti is situated in the extreme north of Finland in the Lapland region. The mountain is part of the Scandinavian Mountains, a range that extends through northern Norway, Sweden, and Finland. In 2017, as a gesture for Finland's 100th independence anniversary, there was a proposal by the Norwegian government to gift Finland the summit of Halti, which would then make Finland's highest peak 1,365 meters. However, due to legal complications related to international borders, this gift did not occur. The mountain is a popular destination for hikers and adventurers, especially those who wish to visit Finland's highest point. It's also a pilgrimage for those interested in Finnish geography and nature. Halti is a remote and challenging destination, popular with trekkers who are looking for an adventure in the rugged wilderness of Finnish Lapland. The closest major trail is the Kaldoavi Trail, which leads through Finland's largest wilderness area, and many hikers make the long journey to reach the high point. The hiking season is typically short, from mid-June to early September due to the harsh Arctic climate, with snow covering the area for most of the year. The area around Halti is known for its stunning Arctic wilderness, with barren tundra, rugged cliffs, and small mountain lakes. The landscape is remote and untouched, offering a sense of isolation. The weather on Halti is extremely cold for most of the year, with snow often covering the peak from September until late June. The summer months provide the best time for hiking, but even then, temperatures can be chilly and weather conditions can change rapidly. Reaching Halti is a serious endeavor, as there are no roads or settlements near the peak. The nearest town is Kilpisjärvi, a small village located about 50 kilometers away. From there, hikers generally start the journey by foot or ski, depending on the season. There are no facilities on Halti itself, and visitors must be self-sufficient. It's important to carry proper gear, including tents, food, and supplies for the multi-day trek. Some basic wilderness huts can be found along popular hiking routes, providing shelter in emergencies. So that's all. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. See ya!